right, thank you very much. So how you guys doing today? How are you guys doing today? Fantastic, fantastic. So guys, in fact our topic is Kangen business and road to success, all right? So first of all, my introduction, okay? Like our wonderful host Madhusmita, she gave my introduction. My name is Arjun Adhikari. I stay in Mira Road, and my family and they all are into hotel business in Japan, and we have many of our family members settled in UK, that's United Kingdom, okay? And before I go ahead, I would like to thank my sponsor and my guide and my guru and my father in this business. His name is Mr. Rajan Manjrekar. All right, guys. So let's have a round of applause for Rajan Manjrekar, 6A7-5 in the business. So मेरा topic, मेरे पास बहुत सारे topics हैं, but I think I have 15 minutes or something like that. All right, guys. You know, I was listening to that gentleman from Delhi today. His name is, I was really impressed, Rajesh Chaudhary. I am telling you, this business is for you guys. I am telling you, in India, Enagic has not even started. Today morning में मैं बोल रहा था to few people that अगर आप 6A हो in this business, that's not your beginning. The day you will have 10,000 machines, 10,000 people in your team. I'm not talking about machines. If you give 10 machines to one person, that's not a person. That's just one person. Your real Enagic business will start in India after you have 10,000 people in your team. I'm talking about not money. I'm not talking about small money. I'm talking about fortune. And fortune आप तब बनाते हो when you make few $million into your bank account every month. That's fortune. And that fortune, Enagic will give that fortune to you. You guys are very, lucky to be here today. Tomorrow, few years down the line, you will be a walking, talking industry. Let me give you example of my sponsor, Rajan Manjrekar. Last month, maybe 3,000 machines in his team in entire India. 3,000 machines का turnover कितना होता है? 3,000 machines. Maybe close to 100 crores. Is that a big money to begin with? Big turnover? Okay. Just imagine in first 5 years, he has achieved close to 3,000 machines in a month. So 100 crores into 12. No office, no staff, no hundreds of staff, no overheads, no challenges, no problems. 1,200 crores turnover a year. So this is just the beginning in India. You know, बड़े से बड़ा multinational company, their dream is to be in Indian market. So what we sell health, and for that the object is machine. Okay, our population is how much, guys? 135 crores on paper. Maybe 150 crores plus, and Now, till now, in 5.5 years, we have only touched maybe 90,000 families only. What is the percentage? If it is 1%, अगर कोई भी मार्केट में अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट 1% स्प्रेड हुआ है, that is just the beginning, not even beginning. तो 150 crores का 1% कितना होता है guys? 1.5 crores. अभी तक in entire world, how many Kangen machines we have installed? Maybe 2.5 million. If we work with the system, see, everything fails without system, but you need leaders like Shahid Akhtar, Junaid Ehsani, Avesh Afrikawala, Raju Bhai, you know, and Sudhir Hattangadi, and all of you. Everything fails without system, but you need leaders to lead the system. If you lead the system today, now, starts with now, not tomorrow. You have to lead the system. So I will not thank you all for coming here. I will congratulate you. I will congratulate you for coming here. Okay? On Sunday, I congratulate you guys to be here. Today you are sitting maybe with your 10 people in your team, 20 people in your team, 30 people in your team, maybe 6A has 100 or 150 or 200. But if you decide today, decide now, decide in this hall. Business application sign करने से या मशीन घर में इंस्टॉल करवाने से बिजनेस नहीं चलता. बिजनेस चलता है डिसाइड करने से. एंड यू हैव टू डिसाइड फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ योर हार्ट दैट टुडे आई टेक एन ओथ. I am going to be 6A in Kangen business. I am going to be 6A 2-2-3-4-5-6-7-8. Can you do that, guys? Yes. Can you say I'm a champion? Yes. Can you say I'm a champion? Let's go. Yes. Perfect. You have to decide. You have to decide today, now, and in this hall to make a fortune. I'm telling you. Fortune means few $1 million a month. And there are people in this industry, in this business, in Kangen, they are making $1 million. There are people making $1 million. Okay? And what else? How many of you are, यहाँ पे कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जो 50 प्लस हैं? 50 प्लस. Alright, fantastic. Do we have 20 और 20 से 30 के बीच में जो इनका एज है? How many people are there? 20 to 30. Guys, you are very lucky. आप youngsters, between 20 to 30, you guys are very lucky. Luck, L-U-C-K, levering under correct knowledge. So you have to lever under your appliance correct knowledge. You guys are very, 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 very lucky to be in this business. जो भी आपका ड्रीम है. I started this industry when I was teenager. मैंने अमेरिका का 4 लाख रुपया मंथली सैलरी in 2000 मैंने छोड़ दिया था to start this industry in 2000. Okay, I was pretty young. I was a kid, you can say. And today I have just started Kangen. I am 6A. I have many 6As in my team. Okay, and maybe probably by October end or November beginning I'll be 6A 3 to start with. But मेरा जो business start होगा इंडिया में, when I will be minimum -3, then my business will start. Okay, guys? And now I want to tell you very, very important thing. आप बता देना मेरा टाइम कभी खत्म होता है तो I will just, I'll run away. Okay? All right. मैंने बहुत सारे नोट्स बनाए हैं, but we have no time. So I'll try. आप में से 5 मिनट है. All right. So आप में से कितने लोगों को बुलाया for the seminar and they did not turn up? Can I see your hands? भोजन में आए. See, I'll tell you guys. You have to plug your people into this seminar. Whenever the seminar is happening, you have to plug in your people into seminar. अगर आपके फैक्ट्रीज हैं, आपके होटल्स हैं, आपके रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं, आपके दुकान हैं, तो आप दुकान कब खुलते हो? 9 to 5? Or maybe if your shop or hotel 24 hours. पर जब जब भी आपके हमारे सेमिनार्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे आपकी दुकान खुलती है. You have to be in the seminar. Okay? अगर सेकेंड चीज मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ सेमिनार्स. अगर माँ बाप आपको बोलते भगवान है, अल्लाह है, अगर माँ बाप रोज बोलते क्या आपको यकीन होता? मे बी नहीं होता. जब आप बड़े बड़े मंदिर में जाते हो, मस्जिद में जाते हो, और वहां पे हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल आते हैं टू सी भगवान ओ अल्लाह, वहां पे जाने के बाद यू कम टू नो कि भाई अगर इतने लोग आते हैं तो भगवान है, अल्लाह है. दैट इज सेमिनार. बड़े बड़े अचीवर्स आर बोर्न इन सेमिनार्स. ओके? और वी आर इनटू वेलनेस इंडस्ट्री. ये इंडस्ट्री टुडे, ये इंडस्ट्री ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर को अगर हम दोनों को लेते हैं साथ में, ये $500 बिलियन की इंडस्ट्री है वर्ल्ड वाइड. दैट इज 35 लाख करोड़. इंडिया just 16,000 crores last year. Maybe this year 16,000 crores, close to 16,000 crores. That means the entire market is khali hai. You have to go out there, show the demo, share the water and get the winner. I'm telling you, tomorrow you will be a walking talking industry. Now jab maine Shahid bhai ka when I saw his story, it's about dream, struggle and victory. So before I off the stage, I would like to share you one more story about dream, struggle and victory. Okay? There was a simple little guy in America. अमेरिका में एक बहुत सादा बंदा हुआ करता था. Okay? उसका जो ड्रीम था स्टार्टिंग में, उसका ड्रीम था टू मेक अ हाई स्कूल टीम. उसको क्या बनाना था? हाई स्कूल फुटबॉल टीम बनानी थी उसको. ठीक है? उसने सबको जाके बोला कि आई वांट टू मेक हाई स्कूल फुटबॉल टीम, आई वांट टू मेक हाई स्कूल फुटबॉल टीम. लोगों ने क्या बोला? You don't look good, you are not healthy, you are not tall, you cannot make high school football team. But उसके पास choice था, मैं किसका सुनूं? उसने उन्हीं को सुना जिन्होंने कहा कि तू कर सकता है, you can do it. He went ahead and made the high school football team. Alright? And after that उसका और एक ड्रीम था, he wanted to be a sportscaster, that is sports का commentator, he wanted to be. फिर लोगों से कहा कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी ए स्पोर्ट्स कास्टर. लोगों ने उसको कहा कि यू कैन नॉट बी स्पोर्ट्स कास्टर, यू नीड टू टॉक फास्ट, यू नीड टू टॉक टॉक लाउडली, टॉक दिस टॉक दैट, यू कैन नॉट बी. बट उसने उन्हीं लोगों का सुना जिन्होंने कहा कि तू कर सकता है. एंड ही वेंट अहेड एंड बिकेम अ स्पोर्ट्स कास्टर. एंड उसके बाद उसका और एक ड्रीम था, ही वांटेड टू बी ए मूवी स्टार. फिर उसने he went ahead and he told his people कि I want to be a movie star. लोगों ने कहा you need to look good to become a movie star. You need to look good, should have a solid figure, this that, acting आनी चाहिए, so on and so forth. You cannot do it. But उसके पास choice था, उसने उन्हीं का सुना जिन्होंने कहा कि you can become a movie star. He went ahead and became a movie star. Then he became a producer. Then उसके बाद उसका नेक्स्ट ड्रीम था, उसका नेक्स्ट ड्रीम क्या था? टू बिकम अ सीनेटर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया, गवर्नर ऑफ, ही वांटेड टू रन फॉर द गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. और उसने लोगों से कहा कि मैं गवर्नर बनने वाला हूं. लोगों ने क्या कहा? यू मूवी स्टार डज नॉट बिकम पॉलिटिशियंस, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू बिकम अ गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया, यू नो. लेकिन उसने उन्हीं लोगों का सुना जिन्होंने कहा कि तू कर सकता है. जैसे आज मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं, शाहिद भाई बोल रहे हैं, वी ऑल लीडर्स टेलिंग यू कि यू कैन डू इट. यू कैन बिकम अ वॉकिंग एंड टॉकिंग इंडस्ट्री इन अनदर 5 years. एंड ही बिकेम, दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन बिकेम द गवर्नर ऑफ कैलिफोर्निया. उसके बाद उसका अल्टीमेट ड्रीम था, ही वांटेड टू रन as a president of United States of America, the most powerful man on Mother Earth. उसने फिर जाके लोगों से कहा कि मैं अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट बनने वाला हूं. Nobody believed in him. लोगों ने कहा कि you are old, your cheeks wrinkled, you are 70, you are 80, you cannot do it. Governors are not supposed to become a president of United States. लेकिन उसने उन्हीं का सुना जिन्होंने कहा कि तू कर सकता है. And he became, not once, he became the United States of America's president for 2 times. And that is my hero, one of the hero, Ronald Reagan. Dream, struggle and victory started with what? Started with the high school football team and ended up being a president of United States. यहां पे आज अगर कोई भी नया पर्सन बैठा है जो 2A होगा, 2 machines, maybe 3 machines as a 2A, you got to stand up, you got to go out, find the prospect, show the demo, share the water. I'm telling you guys, one day you will be -2, -3, -4, whatever your dream. India में -8 बनना. I'm telling you, we will have maximum people -8 in India in next 1 decade. Can you do that, guys? Can we go out and show the plan? Can we show the demo? Can we share water? So you guys are going to repeat. I am a champion. I am a champion. I am a go-getter. I am excited. I am fired up. I am enthusiastic. I am determined. I am consistent. I am persistent. I can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Thank you. God bless you. Back to host.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.